This lesson will demonstrate writing equations from point-slope form to standard form. So given this problem, write the following equation in standard form. Y minus 3 equals 2 times the quantity x plus 5. We know from previous lessons that this equation is in point-slope form. So we're going to go ahead and we're trying to get this equation to look like ax plus by equals c, standard form. So there's several steps this is going to take, and the first one is going to be to multiply, distribute the 2 to the x plus 5. We get y minus 3 on this side. This side doesn't change. All we're going to do here is multiply 2 times x and 2 times 5. So 2 times x gives me 2x. 2 times 5 gives me a positive 10. Then we have to figure out how we're going to get our x's and y's over to the left and our constants over to the right, very similar to what we did in our last lesson. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get rid of this constant by adding its opposite. We're going to add 3 to both sides. That leaves me with y on this side. Minus 3 plus 3, those are going to cancel out. Leaves me with equals, and on this side I still have my 2x, and now I can add my constants and I get 13. Here again, we're trying to get x's and y's on the left, constants on the right. Well, I've got my y on the left and I have my constant on the right, but I still need to get my 2x to the other side. I'm going to subtract it, 2x on both sides, and that leaves me with negative 2x plus y equals 13. And there is your equation in standard form. Let's try one more of those. Y minus 4 equals negative 3 times x minus 1. We're going to go ahead and do our distribution first. This side will stay the same for a moment. Negative 3 times x, negative 3x, and negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. Let's go ahead and get our constant off of the right side and put all of our constants. We're going to add 4 to that side. We're going to add 4 to this side. Those cancel. It leaves me with y equals, on the right we have negative 3x, and then I'm going to add my constants. I get plus 7. Here again, to get it into standard form, I need my x off of the right hand side, and I'm going to do that by adding its opposite, positive 3x, and I get 3x plus y, and on this side the 3x's and the negative 3x cancel out, and we're left with 7, and here is our equation. And that's it.